cautions if you or spend time outside. When possible, reschedule strenuous activities to early morning or evening. Know the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke.
There we go. Severe thunderstorm watch number 393.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 393, effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Virginia, Albemarle, Augusta, Culpeper, Greene, Madison, Nelson, Orange, Rockingham, and Spotsylvania, and the following independent cities: in Virginia, Charlottesville, Harrisonburg, Stanton, and Waynesboro. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging wind, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia. Southwestern Page County in northwestern Virginia, the northeastern city of Harrisonburg in western Virginia, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Harrisonburg, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage and winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Harrisonburg, Shenandoah, Massanutten, and Kieseltown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Madison County in northwestern Virginia, southeastern Rockingham County in western Virginia, South Central Page County in northwestern Virginia, North Central Greene County in central Virginia, until 2:45 p.m. At 1:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Stanricksville, Oregon, 12 miles west of Madison, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Brightwood, McMullen, Krieglarsville, Banco, Fletcher, Gravesville, Haywood, Ayler, and Syria. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 2:30 p.m. watch in effect until 11 p.m. this evening. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has expanded the flash flood watch to include portions of southern Maryland, Virginia, and Panhandle, West Virginia, including the following areas in southern Maryland: Charles. In Virginia, Albemarle, Augusta, Central Virginia Blue Ridge, Clark, Frederick, Nelson, Northern Virginia Blue Ridge, Page, Rockingham, Shenandoah, and Warren. In Panhandle, West Virginia, Jefferson. Until 11 p.m. this evening, thunderstorms with locally heavy rain are expected across the watch area this afternoon and evening. Rainfall of 1 to 3 inches may fall within an hour, resulting in localized flash flooding. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. Flash flood watch. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for northern Nelson County in central Virginia, western Albemarle County in central Virginia, southeastern Augusta County in western Virginia, the southeastern city of Waynesboro in western Virginia, until 5:15 p.m. At 2:16 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Rain of 1 to 2 inches is expected in the next hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source: radar indicated. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that may experience flooding include Waynesboro, Sharonda, Aspen, Lyndhurst, Aspen Mountain. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Charlottesville and the surrounding counties. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Stafford County in northern Virginia, southeastern Madison County in northwestern Virginia, Orange County in central Virginia, southern Warren County in northwestern Virginia, northeastern Albemarle County in central Virginia, central Fauquier County in northern Virginia, Rappahannock County in northwestern Virginia, Culpeper County in northern Virginia, west central Prince William County in northern Virginia, northwestern Spotsylvania County in central Virginia, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles east of Sperryville to 6 miles southwest of Culpeper to near Orange, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Fredericksburg, Massaponax, Spotsylvania, Broken Bird, Snell, Alpha, Gatewood, Chancellorsville, Logan, Hartlow, Glenera, Post Oak, Thornburg, Junavin, and Cookstown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cumberland County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:24 p.m. Severe thunderstorm was located over Dillon, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Cumberland around 5:50 p.m. Sunnyside and Lakeside Village around 6 p.m. Cartersville around 6:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Transmill, Whitefield, Grays Siding, Ashby, Oak Forest, Bear Creek Lake.
Trump, it's playing out perfectly timed. It's perfectly timed. And who knows what
the building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. Heat index values up to... The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Gloucester County in eastern Virginia, southeastern King and Queen County, southwestern Middlesex County, northeastern New Kent County, southeastern King William County, northwestern James City County, and southeastern Virginia until 6 p.m.
Well, he makes sure that we get the street.
Severe thunderstorm was located near Guilford or near West Point, moving northeast at 15 miles per
Oh,
hour.
there we go.
Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Gloucester County in eastern Virginia, southeastern King and Queen County, southwestern Middlesex County, northeastern New Kent County, southeastern King William County, northwestern James City County, and southeastern Virginia until 6 p.m. At 5:13 p.m. Severe thunderstorm was located near Shackelford or near West Point, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Shackelford around 5:30 p.m. Glens around 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Solida around 6 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Holly Forks, Eltham, Cache, Gresset, Mattaponaw, Peppa, Mascot, Belma, Romancoke, and Healy's. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. Eight possible rescheduled strenuous 7 miles south of Charlottesville and is nearly stationary. Hazard. Wind gusts of up to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Crozet, Scottsville, Keene, Glendower, Overton, Alberine, Greenwood, North Garden, Batesville, Yancey Mills, and Woodridge. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Orange County in Central Virginia, northeastern Albemarle County in Central Virginia until 7:30 p.m. At 6:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles west of Boswell's Tavern, or 8 miles northeast of Charlottesville, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: isolated damaging wind gusts of up to 60 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Campbell, Gordonsville, Pilgrim, Sismont, Overton, Boyd Tavern, Barbersville, Monticello, Keswick, Stony Point, Madison Run, and Shadwell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
On focus.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Buckingham County in Central Virginia until 8 p.m.
Well, this time Blacksburg issued it.
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles northwest of New Canton to near Centenary to 6 miles south of Shipment, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Buckingham, Dillwyn, New Canton, Toga, Centenary, Shepherd, and Andersonville. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds, as well as deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the